Welcome to Malta, sunshine and sea, LCC family, where the leaders be. From airlines flying to tech and the rise, 500 strong, got vision in our eyes. I act, make impact, move with a plan, Gen Z talking, AI in demand, geopolitics, cyber in play, LCC changing the game today. Ideas ignite, the future in sight, innovation glowing like the Maltese night. From Frankfurt to Tokyo, Cape Town too, the travel world's beat, it runs through you. From data to dreams, from insight to flight, we navigate, we'll build for the fight. LCC, united, bold and exact, together we lead, together I and you act, I act.